Tools needed for the single-sided SRVM manager are a 7/16 socket, wrench, instruction sheet, and hardware bag. The single-sided manager comes assembled out of the box, so I'll slide it into place. I prepped my hardware kit with my speed washers and my U-bolts, and these will be installed in 3 places between the rack and the manager: the top, the middle, and the lower section. And the last step, folks, we're going to install this door. It's a double pivoting door, left or right opening, and it rides on pins. Let me show you how to install that. Drop my bottom pin into place, my top pin, latch the other side. For additional information on our SRVM management system, please reach out to the product specialist team.